In this video, I'll show you how to private all videos on YouTube using a mobile. So the first thing that we need to do is open up YouTube Studio. However, if you have the app and it opens that, you need to delete it because we need to use the desktop version. So if you have it installed, you want to uninstall YouTube Studio and then come back to your browser and open it up so that it's the desktop version. From here, you want to zoom in and choose videos just here, and then under the filter button there will be a box and it will say video to the right of it. Press on that and then you'll see all videos have been selected. Press select all, and then to the right there's an edit button with a drop down menu. Press that and then tap on visibility. From here you have the option to either private or unlist your videos. We're going to choose private, and then if you scroll over to the right you can update videos to change it to private. So that's how to private all your YouTube videos on mobile. Thank you for watching.